V6! Boom! Come on, V6! Play with me! So we've got the 3.2 V6 against the Audi S3 8P. Who do you think is going to win? We always wanted to know which one's faster. They're both quattro, but one's a V6 and one's a 2-litre turbo. Let's ask the driver of the S3 to see what he thinks. Who do you think is going to win?
I think it might be a close one. Obviously you've got the DSG, I've got the manual, and on a race car driver, excuses are already coming in. I think you might have a good chance, because obviously you don't have to change gears. You've got more displacement, you can rev out more. Might be a close one, might be a close one. I think you might have it.
Okay, sounds good. Alright, we'll take it on the road. That sounds sick. Now let's see the side of the V6. I think we're winning that one. Alright, you win, alright. Enough with the Germans. Behind me is the Audi A3 3.2 V6 unraffled for £2. Yes, £2, and you can win this beast of a car. I wanted to keep it as a project car, but now it's time to give back to you guys. I can meet one of you lucky winners. It's been very interesting to see. Between me and you guys, I think we all know that the S3 is going to beat the V6. But just out of curiosity, let's just see what this car's got. This is 260 brake horsepower. The Audi S3 8P is 260 brake horsepower. One's a V6, one's a 4-cylinder, one's a turbo, one's NA. There's not much of a big difference. The only thing that's going to give it away is that this is a DSG and that's a manual. Come on, man! Put it down, bro! Come on, V6! Alright, man. You let me win! You let me win, didn't ya? Let's do it again. Come on, V6! Let's go! Okay, chill. Let's go around. Let's go around. Bro, this car's fast! Bet he didn't expect that though, did he? Alright. Well, come on! Come on, V6! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Holy smokes! Wow, the V6, the S3 is quick, but the V6 lets off. What was that like, bro? That was good. It's good. Alright, ready, yeah? Alright, wait. Go. Let's go, bro. Come on, V6. Come on, man. Damn, that car's fast. Alright. Oh, man. Gee, that car is quick. Let's do another one then. Do one more, yeah? First gear, yeah? Go. Come on, V6. Take him, bro. This is quick. Go around. I'm telling you, it's like, I think the S3 is faster when it's on like 3rd, 4th gear, but 1st, 2nd, 3rd, it's not easy for the S3. We gotta agree somewhere, it's not easy. But it does move off, and that's what matters most. It's just hard to get it going, because the DSG takes a while. Let me go in sport mode, that'll probably be better. Alright, you're in 1st gear now, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Sport mode! I'm in sport mode now! Look how fast this car is! I see. Chill. Oh my god, this car's way faster in sport mode! So close, yeah. Alright, do like a little one. Right. V6! Boom! Come on, V6! Play with me! That has blown my mind. I thought the S3 was gonna gap this car, but it doesn't. This car is capable. Don't forget, both cars are stock. This car is very, very, very capable car. I am shocked. That's pretty good. Right, we're gonna do one more run just to call it, just to get a final definition. You guys will know. It sounds beautiful. V6 power. Too many people look down on this engine, but look, come on, man, that was fast. All right, all right. Come on, V6. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Whoa,
Jeez. Wow. Who would have known? A 3.2 VR6 is this close.
Are you fully giving it?
And that was mostly fully.
Oh, okay, go forward. Come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, bro. Okay. That. Yeah. I'm well happy with this car. I'm shocked with how quick this car is. It's not slow, is it? It keeps up, bro. Oh, let's go. I keep mentioning you want to play with me. Play with this then? Oh my guys, I'm telling you, £2 can get you a car that it'll catch the S3 off by guard and it'll win. But on a standstill, like if it goes from first to like fourth gear, the S3 will win. But only if it's a good driver. Clearly Mo knows how to shift in that S3, but I don't need to do nothing, and this car's going and it sounds brilliant. So £2 you can win this car. Look how capable it is. It shocked him. Come on. You're messing with V6 DSG. What? This car shocked me when it's in sport mode. It shifts way faster. It's like full power is being put into the car. Okay, alright. Wow, this car's a blast of a car. Oh, is that Supra? Go. Come on then, bro. Alright, we'll let him go. See how funny it is, this grips. Guys, this car is absolutely amazing. Gosh, you get a lot for this car, and I take it all back that this car gets overlooked. A lot of the people just go for the R32 Golf, but I thought I loved the S380p, but I think I love this more now. I really feel like this car's stolen my heart. What's your verdict?
Verdict.
Come on.
The A3 is fast.
Okay.
The A3 is fast. I expected it to be faster. I thought it was going to be faster than the S3. But it is fast, especially for an NA, it is very fast. But guess the S3 takes it home today.
Okay, yeah. I'll give it hands down. He won on the get-go.
Yeah.
If you're not a driver, if you don't know where you are, I'd catch you off guard and I'd go.
Yeah.
I'd say when you go through second, third, fourth, you'll catch me and then you'll go.
Yeah.
But if I catch you off guard, you're not getting me.
Especially for being an NA.
Yeah.
Like it pulls strong.
It feels strong,
Very
doesn't it?
strong.
Especially
Like,
sport mode. When we went round, I
Yeah.
didn't know. Sport mode, the car is a lot
Like
faster.
it woke up, yeah. I seen it. It's like a big difference.
Cause I didn't know when to go at the beginning. Like, how should I go? Like, when to go
Yeah.
with the horns. And then in sport mode, I can choose now.
Yeah, yeah,
High
yeah.
revs. So when I said go with the horn, bang, I was going.
100%. Like when at the first few runs, it's like at the end of your last horn,
Yeah.
there'll be like a little delay whilst it downshifts. So
Yeah,
I wasn't always trying to go until you actually started moving.
Yeah.
But after the first few runs, when you started to get hang of it, it was pulling strong,
Strong in it.
very strong.
First, second gear, I'm going. You're still like next to me.
Yeah.
Third, and then probably at third, fourth gear. I
Yeah.
think you're for third, fourth gear. I don't even know.
Even about third year. Yeah,
Third gear,
fourth.
then you slowly
Yeah,
move
yeah,
up.
yeah,
I can hear when you go
Yeah.
past me. Sound like a spaceship.
But I
Yeah.
tell you what though, it struggles to get past.
It struggles.
It's
What?
just a struggle.
Yeah, it takes a
Yeah,
while,
yeah.
innit?
Yeah, it
Mad.
struggles a lot to get past.
Sport mode.
Once he figured out the sport mode on his, that I physically was like trying. I was shifting perfect time and everything,
Mad,
and it was
innit?
struggling to get past.
Mad, innit? So we can tell how he shifts.
see,
We can see he was a
Probably
driver.
the fastest.
I'll be honest, I missed the SV8P. I missed the boost. That I don't feel no boost. It just goes.
Just carries on the
Just
whole
carries
way.
on, yeah. I don't feel that boom and change
Yeah.
gear. Stop. So stay tuned on this one again. Grab yourself a ticket. It's only £2, and you can win this marvelous car. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next video. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.